Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to give a presentation uh, with a title Effort to Fulfill the Right of Rehabilitation for Female Defendant. Study at Lapas 2A Women Prison in Palembang. My team, Wahyu Ernaningsi and Suci Plambonita from Faculty of Law, Sriwijaya University. Introduction. When women in the conflict with law, usually women contacting the law are not accepted by legal advisor, and women in accused position is not assisted by legal advocate, and women in a position sometimes loss of opportunity to be advised by legal advisor due to lack of destination from law enforcement official. And the last, women in a change position are always assisted by change legal advisor. Finding which happen when already being punished in prison, get overcrowded in jail, sexual harassment and sexual abuse, loss of independence right, narcotic in jail, and then a minimum financial fund from the prosperity of criminals. For the literature review, uh, the correctional system is to goal the society to improve the quality of the correctional arrested citizen in order to realize the mistakes and not repeat a criminal act so that they can be accepted again by the society, can actively participate in development and can live naturally as good and responsible citizens. Prisoners are convicts who are currently serving a lost punishment of independence in correctional facility. Nonetheless, a punishment can be interpreted as the stage of determining sanction and also the stage of giving sanction in a criminal law. Our methodology, the research was an empirical juridical research or field research, especially the legal product related the woman issue that are position on the law and regulation related to guidance in the correctional facility. Social law culture is also needed in analyzing the fulfillment and of rehabilitation right for women guide residents. For the result and discussion, the first, we in regulation of on the right of prisoner penitentiary, the first law of number 8 in 1981 concerning criminal procedure law of number 12 of 1995 concerning penitentiary, and then law number 11 of 2012 on the criminal justice system for children until presidential decree number 174 in year 1999 concerning about remission for a prisoner. The classification based on the length of the sentence imposed consists of short term, medium term, and long term. For the short term, namely prisoner who sentenced to a maximum of 1 year, and the medium term sentence are prisoner who are sentenced to a minimum of 1 year and a maximum 5 years. And the long term crimes, namely prisoner who are sentenced to more than 5 years. The second conclusion is implementation of rehabilitation right fulfillment for women inmates at Correctional Facility Class 2A Palembang. Based on the table, this is a person in Class 2A, Class 2A woman prison in Palembang, about 4032 person. For the activities to develop the capacity of inmates, uh, the the legal officer teach sewing, cooking, and skill to support small business. Another example of making handicraft skill develop according to their respective talent. In Lapas 2A Palembang, they have a bakery shop which located in the front area of Women Correctional Facility Palembang, and they also have beauty salon which is also located near bakery managed by Women Correctional Facility in Palembang. Which is interesting. During pandemic, they made a clothes mask then were sold to the community. Uh, in Lapas 2A Palembang, the woman prisoner also make a cooperation with the third parties assisted resident in the form of a spiritual and skill assistant to be more good skill and good knowledge. This the following example of developing the capacity of members in the Palembang women prison. They have a bakery shop, and then they have a beauty salon, the name of Maria's. They make clothes masks during pandemic. The conclusion, the implementation of rehabilitation right for prisoner can be influenced by several things. First, the role of prison officer is developing and preparing the ability of prisoner to return to society by preparing mentally and spiritually from the prisoners. Two, family support to provide encouragement for inmates to be even better until the detention period of inmates end and the returns to the family and society. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.